Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find the area bounded by this one and x-axis. So now I will show you how to answer. This one that is about positive area. This one that is about negative. Now we have the integration from negative number 2 to number 0. So we put the function called here. The next one from 0 to number 2, because this is about negative, so we need to put the negative sign next to the integration. So that should be about from 0 to number 2. Now the integration of x to the power of 3, we have x to the power of 4 over 4. This one we have x squared over 2, and we put the bounds from negative number 2 to 0. For this one, similar. So I will put number 0 gone here, negative number 2 gone here. Similar for the second one. And now we have the final answer. We have number 4. This one we have number 4. So that should be about 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.